welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and that way you'll never miss out on another reading. I do free pick a card readings on my channel every single Friday, so click the bell, that way you'll never miss out. And today's video is going to be on the question of what is draining your energy. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna pick card number 1, 2, 3, or 4, and then whichever one calls out to you, whichever one you're drawn to, pick that one. And before we get started on the readings, I wanted to share with you guys my new jewelry that's on my store right now. So I have one that I'm wearing right now, and then I have a few more pieces that I did. Now these are all handmade by me. They have genuine crystals in them, and they've all been charged with the full moon energy that we had last night. So the reason that I charge everything under the full moon is the full moon symbolizes balance, attraction, and manifestation. And not only just the jewelry pieces are charged with the energy of the full moon, but I also charge crystals and bay leaves, and they should all be up on my store. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and head over to my shop where you can get the jewelry, and then you can also get like these stones too. I have pyrite and I have clear quartz, rose quartz, and a few other nice stones that I have on there for you guys too. Anyways, let's start on the reading. So for everybody that picked card number 1, we're gonna see what is draining your energy. So here's what's going on. You have the gates of triumph, success expands in your life. And then you have surrender, denial. Accept people and situations exactly as they are without denying the difficulties. Then you can see things clearly and make the best decisions. So something that's taking your energy right now, just draining your energy right now, is kind of like a situation in your life where you see what's going on, but you don't really want to accept it. Because it's gonna hurt you to accept it, or it's gonna make you angry, and so you're kind of turning a blind eye or just in denial that it's not even happening, or it's not even there, or you're kind of ignoring it, and it's draining you because in the back of your mind, in the back of your heart, you know that something is wrong, but you just don't want to say it, or you just don't want to deal with it. So that's something that's draining your energy right now, and it's just kind of preventing you from moving forward. And like the things that are going to make you successful in your life, the things that you want to have in your life that you feel like is what will make you feel successful, those things are all blocked right now because there's something that needs your attention, that's something that needs to be kind of healed and closed off until you can feel successful. So that's what's draining your energy. I hope that that helped and resonated. And if you guys want to go more in depth with me, then you can book a reading with me on my website. But for everybody that picked card number 2, let's go ahead and read yours. What is draining your energy? So, distant thunder, clear the air, and surrender negative thinking. So you have control over your thoughts. When negative thoughts surface, say thank you for sharing and quickly refocus on a positive affirmation. Okay, so there's a lot of just worrying about the future. That's what the message is for you here. That's what's draining your energy, is you're just kind of like, you have anxiety of the future and like what's gonna happen. There's some paranoia about something and worry about something, and just a lot of what if, and that's what's draining you of your energy. So when this message is coming in, then you have to remember, like, obviously you're watching this kind of a channel, this kind of a video for a reason. You're on a spiritual journey and you believe in this, like, a lot of spiritual things. So when cards come up like this where you're just constantly worried about the future, something about the future is stressing you out, you have to remember about the law of attraction, that you can actually, with your thoughts and your energy, you can manipulate and change the future in the way that you want it. So remember that next time like a negative thought or a worrying or anxious thought comes in your mind. So that's your reading. Basically, the thing that's draining you of your energy is just like anxiety about the future, or something about the future, or worry, like stress about the future. So that's something that is draining your energy that you might need to work on. And as far as like crystals go for stressed out thinking, negative thinking, getting rid of all of those kinds of thoughts in your mind, jade is a really, really good one. Tiger's eye is really good to build your self-confidence, and rose quartz really calms down those kinds of negative thinking and like stress inducing thoughts and stuff like that. Also, we have like onyx and obsidian, which absorbs negative energy and then it turns it into positive energy. So there's crystals that you can work with as well. But that's your reading. If you want to know more, head over to my store. And for everybody that picked card number 3, we're going to go ahead and read yours next. So what is draining your energy? So you got the breaking trail. A breakthrough is at hand, and surrender procrastination. Now is the time to jump on a goal instead of putting it off. Taking action will attract success. So something that's draining you of your energy right now is kind of like indecision. Like you can't really make up your mind, because on one side you have this like super hard worker, and then on the other side there's like this person or this card of procrastination. So it's just a lot of indecisiveness on your part. There may be something going on in your life or a decision that needs to be made, but you're very, very indecisive about it. And you're thinking, should you just make the decision really quickly or should you wait on it? And that's kind of what's draining you of your energy. So something that would be really good for you is to kind of just weigh the pros and cons of each side, each situation. Take some time to yourself to really think about it. Quiet your mind to make like a good decision for yourself that you'll be happy with in the end. And try not to procrastinate the decision anymore. Like follow your gut and make the decision. So that's what's kind of been draining you of your energy lately. And if there's like, when it comes to making decisions, I'm a Libra, so I kind of know that it's not that easy to just make one at the moment. Sometimes we need to weigh things out, think about this thing and that thing, especially with the Libra, that happens a lot. So you can definitely use crystals to help, but I feel like the best thing that you could do is take time to yourself and really think things through. And if you guys want to go more in detail with me to get a personalized reading, go ahead and book one on my store, and I'll leave that link down below. But for everybody that picked card number 4, let's go ahead and see what is draining you of your energy. So we have the Mystic Healer, and then we have surrender comparisons with other people. Keep your eyes trained on yourself. Focus on your own strengths, attractiveness, and power. Okay, so something that's really draining you of your energy is the fact that you kind of are not focusing on yourself as much as you should be. You're focusing on like this person and making sure that this person is taken care of, making sure that this person, you know, this is done on time, and just all of these obligations and your responsibilities to other people. These are the things that are draining you of your energy because you have a hard time saying no. And also, like, you compare yourself a lot with other people. Like, say, like, social media, like, everybody shows the glamorous side of their life, and sometimes we get stuck, like, thinking that our life is not like that, but in reality, we don't see the tough times of their life. So don't compare yourself with, you know, somebody that you see online or that has it better than you, or so you think. So that's something that's really draining you of your energy, is that you just think that you're not good enough, and at the same time you're giving away a lot of your energy to other people and other things. So take your energy back to yourself and stop comparing yourself to other people and really embrace who you are. I hope that that reading helped and resonated, and if you guys want to go more in depth with me, you can book a reading with me on my website, and I'll leave that link down below. But that was today's reading. If you guys want to check out any of my jewelry or the crystals that I have, go ahead and visit my website, and also subscribe, and that way you won't miss out next Friday's reading, and I'll talk to you guys real soon.